Okay, so to begin making my hot air balloon picture, I want to think about how I'm going to be laying out my page. Do I want to have my paper the tall way with a really big balloon? Do I want to have it horizontally with maybe a little bit smaller so I can show a little bit more of what my hot air balloon is going over? I think that's what I would like to do. Now you may want to do this first part in pencil. I'm going to be using a Sharpie so that you can see it. But I'm going to start with sort of like a big circle kind of a shape. I'm going to make the ends come down a little bit narrower and connect to make the edge of the balloon. I'm going to make two lines down, and then I'm going to make the basket, which can really be just a square or a rounded square. I'm going to make some lines on my basket. To show people inside of my basket, I don't have to show their whole body because their legs are down inside the basket. So all that's really showing are the top part of their body. I'm going to make some arms. And I'm going to make maybe another person kind of looking over. Some arms down like that. You can really make it however you like. Then I want to think about the pattern in my balloon. Definitely want to divide it into a few sections. If I make those lines kind of curved like that with the edges of the balloon, it helps it look kind of 3D. And then I want to really think about what types of patterns I'd like to add. When you start adding the patterns, you could be using Sharpie right away. Just keep in mind that it does not erase, so if you mess up, you've got to just make it into something else. I'm going to make some different designs in each section of my balloon. You can really do this however you like, but it's a good way to practice all of your different line patterns. Then I want to think about, what is my balloon flying over? Is it flying over some hills? Is it flying over the ocean? You can make your balloon go anywhere. Would you like to fly over the jungle or the desert? Maybe you want to fly over several different areas. It's really up to you. So you can design your background however you like. I'm thinking I'm going to make a little bit of water over here, some hills down below. I might make some fields over on this side. My balloon is just sort of taking off. Remember, when things are far away from us, they look little. So those people way down on the ground are going to look tiny compared to the people up in my balloon, which is closer to me. I'm going to make a little house with maybe a lighthouse and possibly a little sailboat on my water. Once you finish going over the key parts of your drawing with Sharpie, you can begin to add color. You can use crayons or markers or colored pencils or a combination of them. Just be sure to make it bright and colorful and fill up your page.